Okay, good morning to one and all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. What about you, sir?
I am also fine. On Saturday, we are discussing about the logarithm. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I given notes for the algorithm formula, logarithm formulas.
Yes, sir.
All of you written?
Yes, sir. Written.
Is there anybody not written? Okay, boys, those who are present, just tell me your name. Today class. Tell me your name, that's it.
Srujan.
Fine. Huh? What? Your voice, I am listening, clarity. Okay, morning English. Sivasai. Okay, next.
Rahul.
Rahul, next.
Arun.
Huh?
Arun.
Arun, next. Only 4 members. Boys. Namalesh is there. Jitender is there. Jitender. Jitender is there. Jitender. Are you getting my voice or not? Okay, girls. I will call one by one. Give the attendance. Pranati.
Fine, sir.
Allah Sangha. Shruti. Shruti, are you present or absent? Okay. Madhurima.
Fine, sir.
Sanjana.
Present, sir.
Illendra Arshini. Illendra Arshini. Illendra Arshini. All of you getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why are not giving?
Yes, sir.
Illendra Arshini. Teacher Jesse. Akshara.
Fine, sir.
Jesse. Jesse. I am asking attendance, not questions. Shruti. Okay, listen all of you. Okay. Barbell Pranati, you can tell the what are the topics we discussed in the first chapter from first to up to Saturday. Tell me.
Euclid's algorithm. It tells positive integer a and b extends unique integers q and r, satisfies a is equals to bq plus r, satisfies
Tell
0
me.
is less than or equal to less than b.
R less than B. Yes. Next.
R less than b.
Next topic.
Fundamental theorem of arithmetic.
Tell me the theorem.
Every composite number can exist. Okay, sir.
Now coming to example 11. Example 11. All of you see the textbook. Okay, Sivasai, read example 11. Sivasai. 11th example, tell me. Arun. Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the example 11.
Expand log 343 by 125.
343 by
125.
125. Very good. So see the board, all of you. Are you visible the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you visible the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we need to expand this question. What is given? Log 343 by 125. Log 343 by 125. So
Very
how
good.
can we expand? Means by using the laws of logarithms. By using laws of logarithm. So in that laws of logarithm, this is in which form?
The division form.
Division form. Means log x by y or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula log x by y?
Log x
Log
minus
base
log y.
A x minus log base A y.
Okay, base always no need to indicate, just to remember that. Okay, just to log x minus log y, that only you can say. Okay, always base is a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the question log 343 by 125, base not given, base always that must and should like 10 only. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here
Yes,
the
sir.
given log 343 by 125 only. So here the base is 10. Not given means that always 10 only the base. Okay, na?
Present.
Here not mentioned,
Okay,
but
sir.
here always the base is 10 only. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Just we call this one as log 343 by 125. That's it. Okay. This is in the form of log x by log y. Okay, log x by y. Then we can expand that one as the log x minus log y or not.
Yes, sir.
So we
Yes,
can write
sir.
this one as the log 343 by 125 is equals to log 343 minus log 125 or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now we need to find out the factors of 343 and 125, prime factorization method. Okay, how can you find out 343? Then find out which table is possible?
70.
428.
4 table possible.
7.
7 table.
7 table. Tell me.
7 4 28.
Right. Next to 63.
63.
7 9 ja.
9 ja.
7 9 63.
Next to 7
7
7
7 ja.
49.
Next to 7 1 ja.
1.
So we
One.
can write that 343 is 7 power 3 or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next minus log 125
5 cube.
5 cube. Very good. 5 power 3 or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now here also we get one more rule, one more law. What is that? Log x power n. We are getting or not? That is in the form of log x power n or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then log x power n formula is what?
N log x.
N log. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then what we get?
3 log 7 minus
3 log 7
3 log 5.
minus 3 log
3 log 7.
5.
5.
All of it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another explanation it is possible? Not possible. So we can stop here. So the expanded form of log 343 by 125 is equals to 3 log 7 minus 3 log 5. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
3.
Okay, sir.
Listen. So don't be confused because here I written that formula log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So sometimes log m by n also given. On the time we can write log m minus log n. So just here the x, y or m, n, a, b, c. Whatever may be the alphabet, that all are variables or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here the formula is given in your textbook. Log x power m is given. Log x power m. That we can write as the m log x or not.
Yes, sir.
In that example, beside the formula is there, log x power n is equal, n is equals to m log x is given. Formula m ichina mama observe. Log, tell me anyone.
ఇక్కడ x power m వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చిన log x power n is equals to m log x is given.
Yes sir.
But their power x power is given in n, but before the log right hand side that given m. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is wrong. No need to confuse. Here you can write the n log x. No problem. M is not given. N only you can write. Left hand side n is given. Right hand also n will come, not m. Understand?
Yes
Okay,
sir.
Okay. I think you are not observed that. If you observe, already you raise the question, but you are not raising. So I only explain. Okay. For example, even clear all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes
Sir.
sir.
Now coming to example 12. Example 12. Jesse is there. Jesse. Are you present or absent? I am not getting your voice.
Yes, sir.
Now I am getting. Okay, just before also, just now I asked some questions. You are not giving response. So now I am asking, what is the example 12 problem?
Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 has a single logarithm.
Tell me the question again. 2 log
2 log 3 plus 3 log 5
3 log 5
minus 5 log 2.
5 log 2. This one only given, na? We need to write that.
Yes, sir.
We need to write that in a single logarithm. Single logarithm means only one term we are getting. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So these are in the form of, all are in the form of what? N log x or not?
Yes sir.
Each and every time you can observe here. 2 log 3 is nothing but n log x form or not?
Yes sir.
Here 3 log 5 is in the form of n log x or not?
Yes, sir.
And 5 log 2 is in the form of n log x or not?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
N log x formula we had, but directly that not given. So we know the formula is what? Log x power n or not? X power n is equals to n log x or not?
Yes sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
is in the form of right hand side or not? N log x, that is lies on right hand side or not?
Yes.
In this formula. So now we convert this n log x into log x power n or not?
Sir.
Or understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Those all terms in the form of n log x. So if we convert that n log x, we get the log x power n or not? Right hand side to
Yes,
left hand side, left hand side to right hand side, we need to convert. Yes or no? Before problem is in the form of log x power n given. So we convert that into n log x, means we had one that formula. Yes or no? So now n log x form given. So we convert that into log x power n. That's it. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what we get here? If we convert that into log x power n, log, what we get?
Log
Log
3
3
power
power
2.
2.
Very good. Log 3 power 2 plus here
Log 5
Log
power
5 power 3.
5 power 3. Very good. Next minus log
log 2 power 5.
2 power 5. Now we need to find out this answers. 3 power 2 how much? 5 power 3 how much? 2 power 5 how much? Understand? Then log 3 power 2 nothing but how much?
9.
9 plus log 5 power 3 how much?
25.
25.
125.
125. Very good.
125.
Minus log 2 power 5
32.
32. Very good. Now we can simplify. We need to get single term, but here we get the 3 terms. So simplify again and we get the single form. So how can you simplify here? 2 terms you can observe. Log 9 plus log 125 or not?
Yes sir. Log x
Yes, sir.
plus
Log x plus
log x plus
Log x plus log y.
log x plus log y. What do we get?
Log xy.
Log xy. Very good. Then write this one. Log x is how much? 9
9.
into y is how much?
120.
125.
9 into 125. Remaining term is what? Log 32. Understand?
Log 32.
Now, log 9 into 125.
1125.
Is it right?
1125.
1125. Very good. Minus log 32. Now, this is in which form?
Log x minus
X
log
by
y.
5.
Log x minus log y. Very good. What we get?
Log x by
Log X by Y.
Log x by y. Then write log x is what?
1120.
1125 by y is what?
32.
So we are
32.
getting a single form or not? Single logarithm or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All of
sir.
you understand?
Yes, sir.
So formulas, if you by heart the formulas, you can understand. If you are given in the right hand side form, then what is the left hand side form? If it is given in the left hand side form, then what we get the right hand side form. That manner you can by heart. Okay, na?
Sir,
Okay,
log a అని ఉంది కదా సార్ బేస్ ఏం తీసుకుంటాం?
Here the always base A I told. In the formulas base A we had. While coming to this problem, always base is 10. Already I explained just now. Always in the base 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
అక్కడ బేస్ ఎప్పుడైనా 10 ఉంటుంది. నేను రాయలేదు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఇచ్చింది చూడండి నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం లో 13 ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే దట్ నాట్ మెన్షన్ మీన్ ద బేస్ ఆల్వేస్ 10. ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
అలా ఫినిష్
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Okay, next within 7 minutes your connection will cut. Okay, again click the same link, you will join the class. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to example 13, Sivasai is present. Arun is present. Jitendra is present. Sangeeta is present. Vinila is present. Okay, Pranuti.
Yes, sir.
What is the 13th example?
Solve 3 power x is equals to 5 power x minus 2.
Solve 3
5 power x minus 2.
5 power x minus 2. 5 power x minus 2.
X minus 2.
Yes or no? Here solve nothing but we need to find out the value of x or not.
Yes, sir.
We need to find out the value of x.
X.
Okay. Already I told why we are using logarithm means to show that x value we can apply log on both sides or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first we can apply log on both sides. What we get? Log 3 power x is equals to log 5 power x minus 2 or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The both side we can observe here. Log 3 power x and log 5 power x minus 2. These are in which form?
Log x power n.
Log x power
Equals to
n. Then what we get the answer?
n log x.
N log x. Then we can write this one as the x log 3 or
X
not
log 3
is equals
sir.
to x minus 2
x minus 2 log
log 5.
5.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So right hand side you can apply log 5 with in the bracket. What we get? X log 5
X log 5
minus 2 log 5. Yes
2
or
log
no?
log.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now left hand side we have the x log 3. X log 3, x log 5 we x log 5 we convert into left hand side we get the x terms or not.
Yes, sir.
Then we write that x log 3 minus x log 5 is equals to minus 2 log 5 or not.
Yes, sir.
Or understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, in these two terms, x is the common term or not?
Yes, sir.
Then x you can take the common. What we get? Log 3 minus log 5 or not? Is equals to
Yes, sir.
minus 2 log 5 or not? Are you getting my voice or not?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
understanding what I explained?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, inside of the bracket on the left hand side, this is in the form of log x minus log y or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in that example, not simplified, na? So, this is the multiplication form or not? X into log 3 minus log 5, both are multiplication form or not?
Yes, sir.
Then x is equals to what we are getting?
Division.
Minus 2 log 5. This goes to right hand side, that will be denominator or not? Division form or not?
Yes, sir.
Log 3 minus log 5 or not? Base 10, we get in the base 10. Don't be confused. Okay, base 10 only. Okay, are you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now coming to example 14. Example 14.
14.
Okay, Shruti, tell the question example 14.
Sir, find x if 2 log equals to log x.
What happens, Shruti? Tell me the question.
Sir, find x
Find x.
if
2
2 log 5
log 5
plus
plus
1 by 2 log 9
1 by 2 log 9
minus log 3
minus log 3
is equals to log x.
equals to log x. Okay, just now given we need to find out the x value. In this question also we are finding x value, but that is log x given in log x is equals to these three terms or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we can simplify these left hand side in a single logarithm. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now we can simplify these three terms in the left hand side in a single logarithm. Then right hand also we get the single logarithm or not?
Yes, sir.
Then right hand side and left hand side, if we cancel the logs, then we get the x value or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now the first term in the left hand side, that is in the which form?
Log A x power m is equals to
Log A. This one I am asking. Oh, log 5 is given. Na?
yes, sir.
That is in which form?
Log
N log x. What is the formula? N log x is equals to?
Log x power n.
Log x power n means what we get?
Log 5 power 2.
Log 5 power 2. Are all of you understand?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus here 1 by 2 log 9. Then what we write?
Log
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 x.
9 minus
Log
9
x
power 1
minus
by 2. Yes or no?
log 9 power minus 2.
9 power 1 by 2.
Yes,
Next
sir.
minus log 3 is equals to log x or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Log 5.
1 by 2 రాదు కదా సార్
Huh?
సో మైనస్ 2 వస్తుంది కదా 9 పవర్ మైనస్ 2
9 power
మైనస్ 2
minus 2 we are getting. Yes?
ఎస్ సార్
No problem. 9 power minus 2 if you write also no problem. 9 power 1 by 2 also no problem.
ఎస్ సార్
If 9 power 1 by 2 only you can write. Why? Because 9 square root is 3 or not?
ఎస్ సార్
Yes, sir.
So you maintain like that only. Okay, now log 5 power 2 value is how much?
Log 125.
25
Ah,
25
only 25.
25.
Now, if you remove the power 1 by 2, this in the form of we can write the square powers or not?
ఎస్ సార్
Yes, sir.